The reality is, I was elected by 13. The Constitution, the Senate rule says, hindi ka pwedeng palitan kung hindi 13. So wala silang 13, so wala silang quorum. Kahit anong iimbento nila sa kanilang justification, hindi totoo yun. Pangalawa, even assuming may quorum sila, 13 para tanggalin ang Senate President pro tempore. Even if natanggal nila, kasi yung all seats vacant, nung pinukpok pa lang, natawa na ako, hindi alam ni Senator Win, you cannot declare all seats vacant with 12. You can declare all seats vacant below the Senate President and Senate pro tempore with 12. Pero hindi pwedeng Senate President. So dapat ang pinupok ni Senator Will is that the motion is lost. Kasi 12 lang eh. Kami, nung nag-declare kami all seats vacant, 13 kami. Kaya pwede. Okay. So having said that, democracy is messy. But we have to embrace the democracy. We have to embrace. So sabi ng Constitution, walang political dynasty. Pero may political dynasty sa Pilipinas. Ibig ba sabihin, sunugin na natin buong Pilipinas? So sunugin na natin ang Senado because hindi nila gusto kung sino majority, kung sino ang Senate President. Pag sila nag-walk out, okay lang. Tignan nyo yung post ni Bam Aquino. Pag nag-walk out, para sa bayan. Pag kami hindi dumating, ayaw magtrabaho. O ano sabi nila? Ayaw namin magtrabaho. Sabi nila, maiipit yung mga general sa CA. Sabi nila, kawawa yung mga pasyente sa ospital. Kawawa yung mga estudyante, etc. O nung nag-session sila, may 12 sila. Sabi nila may quorum. Anong ginawa nila? Nag-CA meeting ba sila? Technically, they can have a session till tomorrow. Hindi. Nag-adjourn sine die. O, pinasaba nila yung, yung sa ospital, sa pasyente. Nasa agenda yun. Pwede nila pa. Hindi nila pinasa. So makikita mo, they're talking about power. We're talking about what is right. Yung katotohanan. Napansin nyo kanina, if they attended today, then na-test nila yung credibility. Ito ang ayaw lumabas. Diba? Why would you call, ang nakalagay sa rules dito, kapag ka may problema ang security ng Senado, you can ask law enforcers, pati police for help. Kita nyo gano'ng kadaming police na sa labas. Saan ka nakakita, Secretary of DILG ang ipapatawag? So, si Senator Win wants to be Senate President, but he's exercising all kinds of immaturity to our democracy. Papayag siya, 12 lang. Papayag siya, acting SP, samantalang nakalagay dito, you can only have acting SP pagkapatay na o walang SP. Papayag siya na ang tatawagan niya, Secretary of Interior, para dito. Anong image ng Senate? So, dun sa inyo na buhay pa nung martial law, anong ibabalik natin yung ganun image? It was a different time. There were different circumstances. So, ang sagot ko, Jessica, doon, they have to deal with it. And I have to deal with it. But I have to assert my authority as Senate President. Now, it's up to the employees ng Senate sa konsensya nila. Kasi alam naman nila kung sino sasabing totoo. So now, it's between power and truth. The truth is, and all of you know this by your heart, there are 24 senators. So you need 13 for a quorum and for a majority. Eto, tanong ko sa inyo kung napasa nila, quorum, 22 daw, 12. Ilan ang kailangan para ma-impeach ang isang official? 2/3, 16. Okay? So, mga aresto na naman ng So, ang 12 is 2/3 of 18. So, kung mang-aresto sila ng 6 na senador, i-convict nila kung sino yung gusto nilang convict. Sasabihin nila, nakakulong yung 6 eh. So, ang quorum namin is based on 18. So, based on 18, 10 lang ang quorum. 12 is 2/3. Yan ang kasunod nito. O, anong kasunod? PI upon us. So, hindi biro yung kasunod doon. Hindi ito labanan ng si Soto, o si Cayetano, si Gatchalian, o si Cayetano, ang Malacanang at Senate. Hindi po. Future ng ating bansa ang at stake dito. Kaya hindi masagot diretso ng Malacanang at ng 11+1 kung anong pinanggagawa nila. Sabi nila, ekonomiya yung issue. Ayaw naman nila mag-usap tungkol sa ekonomiya. Sabi nila, impartial daw yung yung trial kailangan impartial. O may nakita na ba kayong partiality sa amin? Is there anything in my reputation? Sabi nila, yan si Alan nangangagat ng amo niya. O unang-una, hindi ko amo si Vice President Sara. Pangalawa, kaibigan ko siya, pero hindi namin parating nagkakasundo sa politika. O, so wala naman pala silang angal sa impartiality ko. O, bakit may sinasabi? So, Ma'am Jessica, the point is, for their convenience, the media, the Constitution, Senate should bend backwards? I don't think so. I think they should follow the law.